Hello and welcome to video number 11 of the 30 video series, How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System. You're a PT, coach, whether you're offline or online, or maybe you have a gym yourself. But this 30-day video series is for you, and you might have even been following me up until now. And if so, you would have been very confident in your offer. You would have known your numbers. You know exactly what the business system is and why it's so important to have in your business, because no doubt it has been a frustrating experience chasing your tail, going around in circles, trying to get leads in other traditional ways of marketing, word of mouth, flyering on the streets, joint ventures and that sort of thing. So awesome to have you back here again. If you have been following the video series, let me know how you've been getting on. In this particular video, we're going to be going into detail about what to include in the application page, which is the third part of the business system. I'll leave the link to the overview video as part of this video series, and it will detail an overview of the actual steps of the business system if you want to ping back to that, but more to follow on the application page after this. Okay, welcome back. You're a driven business owner and you're on this channel because you want to learn about how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business empire without all the tech overwhelm. And this particular part of the 30 video series is as techy as what it's going to get. So this is why I want to break things down in each video step by step, so that you don't feel the overwhelm when you either come to do it yourself, or if you want my help, I'm more than happy to offer you my 2-week free trial, and I'll talk about that at the end of this video. But if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, then awesome, great to have you here. I actually offer a giveaway each week. All you need to do is subscribe, hit the like button to this video and leave a comment below. And I offer 3 subscribers each week my business bundle, which actually includes the Lead Gen Fix service, a business survival kit, what all businesses need, 2 free trainings, and also a done for you funnel. So yeah, let me just increase that. I didn't see that there. Increase the image there. Yeah, so if you want to join in the fun, then awesome. Do those things and I will send you information if you are one of the 3. Okay, cool. So in this particular video, we're going to be going into detail regarding the application page. This is stage number 3 of the business system, and these are the general points. Now, the main focus, the main purpose of this application page is to capture the lead. We could have captured the lead on the bridge page, landing page, but you tend to find sometimes you're not going to get hot leads at that point of the business process. Really, if they're very interested, they would have gone through your application, they would have gone through your questions, they would have seen your price already, which I'll talk about coming up, and it's a great time to actually ask for their email because they're invested already. They are very interested in your offer and they're keen to go. So this is where you actually capture the lead. I'm going to go through the suggested application questions in a future video in this video series, but I would suggest not to go too far away from the questions I recommend. It does work well for my clients, and I'm sure you'll get the same results that I've received from my clients, your side as well. Now, the application page is also a good part of the business process to qualify the prospect. It's all about qualifying them to the best of our ability. So for moderate priced programs, and moderate being, let's say, £97 to £400, let's say, you can actually put the price in the application process here, and we're really essentially pricing to qualify them. Now, anything higher than sort of £400 in a program, this application is all about qualifying them on their ability to invest into your high-priced program or service, whatever it is that you're offering. So I always suggest in the health and fitness industry, if you're a PT, a coach, or a gym owner and you have a program you can get people in the door with, I always do recommend that £197 is a great sweet spot. £197, it's good because most people don't need to break the bank finding that sort of money. It's easily attainable for most people, and remember, you're making money off the back end as well. remember we're creating in this 30 video series the break-even back-end model. So it's all about the aftercare service that you offer off the back end of your program anyway. There are many types of systems or programs you can use in order to create your application page, but I believe that Typeform is best. I've been on and off using them since 2014. I find the interface very clean, very user-friendly. It's a good experience for me creating them. It's a good experience for the prospect as they complete your application into your service and program. So yeah, I do think Typeform is best, and this is what I'll be using as an example during this 30-day video series. So if you've got any questions, then please let me know. I'll just talk briefly on that 2-week free offer. You can actually take away everything from these videos and implement into your business yourself, but if you do need a helping hand because time is short your side, you've got a business to run, a family to run, and everything else in between, that's where I can come in. I can actually set up all this for you for free. I just suggest you offer £200 worth of Facebook spend, and I will in 2 weeks get results, and if you're happy with the results I can get for you, then great, we can have an onward conversation. I am a results-based type business coach. If I'm happy with the results I can get as well, I'll be more than happy to ask you money. I would never ask for anyone's money if I can't get results. So because I've been there before, I have actually paid a few years ago when I had it was my 4th offline gym. I was paying a marketer £500 a month, and he didn't unfortunately offer the results that he promised, and I just don't want to be that coach. So this is why I'm here paying back. I want to be results based only, and that's going to make you happy as well as me happy. So okay, cool. So that's enough from this video. Again, subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if you want to enter my giveaway, which I release each week. Feel free to browse through my videos on my YouTube channel. I've got playlists around business, marketing, meditations, and mindset. Not so much here, but more so on Facebook. I can answer your business questions. I have a quality client generation Facebook group where you can learn how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business. And that's where I hang out most of the time. And also feel free to find the link below. I've got online courses. I've got free trainings. You can book a call with me. Further information you can find at jenlillian.com. And yeah, I want your business life one of the best parts of your life. So I'm a big believer it's a great extension of you. If your business is doing well on the outside, that's because you're doing well on the inside. And I'm here to help you not only implement the right strategies into your business, but also improve your inner game to get the results and the best experience whilst running your business. Okay, cool. That's enough in this video, and I'll see you in the next video.